Come together, Braille machine, right now. Well, what are we gonna skate now?
Maybe that giant freaking razor blade.
Razor blade skateboard! Let's make some predictions. My prediction is that you do a kickflip or two and the whole sheet of razor blades comes off together and just slices your neck off.
My prediction. Carlos takes off his shoes and does a burial heel flip down the 5. First try.
Maybe.
Please don't say maybe. That's a definite no.
This is not what I meant when I said I wanted to be sponsored by Razor, but...
This is a little bit better than being sponsored by Razor, let's be honest.
Skate at your own risk, that's for sure.
Aaron, how long have you been riding for Razor for? Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
Get over here and give us some puns.
Eddie has the sharpest wit of them all.
Yeah, look at that. Look at
I
that.
don't like how close this whole thing is to your neck.
Look at literally kickflip straight into the blade of that razor. You're just popping it out.
Oh no! It's not
Extremely
good.
sharp, extremely.
Here's a question, what's more dangerous, this or this? Or the nail board?
Dude, yeah, seriously though. The kickflip, the flick. Look, like let's say you're going straight into, your foot is going straight into this right here.
Dude, that's bloody.
Isn't that nuts? Go ahead, Carlitos.
Oh, God.
You got new shoes. See if you can kickflip this right here and chop all 4 of your toes off.
$5 if you do.
Oh no, look at that.
I'll still try it. Okay. It's like, it's actually scary. What the heck?
Oh wait, who's got the slow-mo? Wow. First try, 1 razor down.
Hopefully Razor Scooters doesn't sue us for this video.
Superior Platinum. Oh, it looks like there's 2 gone. Uh-oh.
Oh no. Oh no. You know what my favorite movie of all time is?
That one with the things underground?
Blade.
Oh, God. It's like, it's really nerve-wracking.
Wow. Just wow. 3 razor blades down. Well, I know what we should do is just, let's leave the razor blades on the floor and then we'll just tray flip off.
You know, either way, you should go, because I already had my turn.
So Aaron, if you get it into the jugular, 3 extra points.
For some reason, out of all the things we've done, I'm like not scared of this for some reason.
That was the wrong trick, just FYI. It's supposed to be a tray flip.
You wanted to kick flip first.
No. Cool, but still the wrong trick. That brings grip thumb to a whole new level.
Yeah, look at that. Carlos, do you think it's more dangerous there or there? Because imagine if you fall and you land on this. Should we be like picking these up as we go?
So we should, because we have that skate lesson coming later this afternoon.
Braille House skate lessons, just private lessons. Never, never, never do this at home. Never, ever, 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 ever.
Oh,
I almost flew straight forward and I saw this razor blade and it was coming into my eye and I was like, yeah!
Sport's really like cutting edge.
Oh, that's what I was gonna say.
One thing that's good about this video is it's going to be really easy to cut.
I see it just flying up and hit you in the tooth or something.
Well, he is a dentist.
All things here.
Would that hurt that bad even?
Well, we're really trying to protect our arms on this one, so here we go.
Whoa. Looking sharp out there.
Wow, thanks. This one's for sharper image.
My beard does not stand a chance.
Let's seriously get one that's like poked up and see if we can like cut some of your beard off.
Let's do it.
Yeah. He landed and little razor blades were like
Into our eyes and noses.
Fetty, Fetty, please. Fetty hard flipping into our hearts. Wow.
I think that this is safer than the tennis ball board.
Seriously, I actually feel safer on it. That looked like it hurt the ankle. Wow. Just wow.
This is the one board I don't mind mall grabbing.
What did he say?
Said he likes mall grabbing.
Cut it out.
Everybody's doing the trick right here. And if you fall on a bunch of razor blades. Again, never, 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 never at home. What we should do is light these razor blades on fire somehow. What? This is not a joke. I'm standing over there, filming slow-mo, and in the air flies a razor blade like this.
Oh my God, scared. Hold on.
This is kind of good for skate lessons because it teaches you commitment.
Next time we're teaching you a trick on the mini ramp, we're covering the ground in razor blades. I am shocked that they're still on there. I thought it was gonna come off in one large sheet.
I got my viewing screen so I can watch it without razors flying.
That's smart. Should we try to cut my beard with it?
Yeah. This is the most disgusting thing ever. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Does it work?
12,
Oh! That actually hurt.
12 people
I
just
hope
lost their
that
lunch.
the blade didn't go into my skin. Jesus.
Just cut your eyeball with it.
Here, fiber.
We're gonna send that strand of hair to one lucky fan out there.
Oh, it's slippery.
Clean up aisle 99. First try!
It's always a good time when he goes back for another trick.
First try!
Lance, is your favorite wrestler Razor Ramon?
I don't know who that is, but at this point it's getting a little scary now, doing down the 5.
The one place we needed razors more than anything, the bottom of the 5. But everybody watch the board because razor blades are flying off everywhere.
Here's your viewing screen, sir. First try. Right here.
$1. First try.
$1?
$1.
Shake on it.
If I was known as a tray flip first try, I would have given maybe $2.
3 to 5.
3 to 5. 3 to 5, 1993.
Ooh, that was boom. All right. All right. Right here. It's so weird because it just doesn't grip.
Wow, good job.
What a dismount.
Did you get bladed, bro?
I cut that. I whacked the razor out of the air.
Oh, damn. Dark slide time, baby.
Razor blade grip tape dark slide? We're really onto something. First try!
That's the first dark slide 50-50. That was metal on metal.
Finally, some regular skateboarding on the Braille channel.
Get out of here. No, Carlos! Please do not fall into that. Please.
These guys are just having a blast.
You'd think they're skating an actual skateboard with razor grip tape. I just see them riding and randomly razor blades are falling off. Like there's a razor blade over here. Note to self, don't over willy on the razor blade. How did he do that? First try into the pit of razor blade. Prima blade.
Just want to do a quick shout out to Wesley Snipes. If you're watching this, I love your movies, bro.
Thank you for killing all those vampires.
It's a good thing Daniel has not skated this. Who knows what would have happened.
Daniel, we need some blood. Maybe we should give Daniel the no shoes try.
One try, one kickflip, no shoes or socks.
For good measure, we're gonna get some razor blading in the mini ramp.
SMS 7 is out now. Get it and learn the basics of mini ramps.
I tried that. That's the dumbest thing I could have done.
Any blood alert?
Nope, good.
I don't like it when you scare me, Troy. Fetty's finally lost it. Okay, so who's bloody right now? Anybody?
No.
Dang it, even Fetty didn't bleed? Wait, what?
Troy just threw a razor blade at me and I caught it with my thumb.
Yes!
Fetty bleeds. Look at that.
You touched it.
I didn't touch the blood. I'm just squeezing out the blood.
This guy right here.
Troy, that's what happens when you play with razor blades. Don't do it at home.
Wow, you made that thing bleed. Razor sharp.
Murdered it.
I don't think you can say murder.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. And if you guys have something like this or similar or not similar in any way, shape, or form,
Maybe
send us an
feathers
email.
next time.
Yeah, please on the feathers. Send it in an email. Skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Definitely check out the You Make It, We Skate It playlist. The link to that will be in the description. You guys will enjoy all of those videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, like, and leave it in a comment below.
Bye.
Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.